South Dakota for today. Mount Rushmore and the Crazy Horse Monument there in South Dakota, which they seem to be really close together. Probably gonna just throw a podcast on and drive. See you when we get there. Well, we're in South Dakota and made it to the Crazy Horse Memorial. And this is freaking awesome. Seeing the construction and stuff. But Sky, do you see where they have some of the lines for the horse's face already on there?
Yeah, it looks like someone's like shading.
Yeah, they probably did like a little rough carve on it just to show where the face will be for the horse.
I believe his dad did it.
I remember in the video the dad wanted to do the horse first.
But the mom chose to do that.
The face.
First.
Yeah. Which was, to me, a smart idea. Being a good girl.
Yeah. She really likes this set.
Yeah. This is the first stop here in South Dakota. We're here in the Black Mountains at the Crazy Horse Memorial and Monument.
Yep.
They have going on 75 years and they still have a lot more to go. And in the future we're gonna have infinity pool at the bottom, bigger university, airport here, and a good amount of stuff. It's just will take time, and hopefully my kids' generation, even my kids' generation, can come here and see the progress on it. I don't know how much longer it'll be until they get that much farther along. This is a bucket list item of mine.
Oh, cool.
Did you know that?
No.
I've always
wanted to be here, but
I've always wanted to come see Mount Rushmore, and I'm so happy to finally be able to do that, and also to capture it on video, share it with my family and kids. They may not remember it, but at least they'll have video to remember it.
I'll just remember how sleepy I was.
Sleep last night was interesting. I might be on like 4 or 3 hours.
That's all I've had for 2 weeks. It's been like 4 hours every night for like 2 weeks now.
But we are in South Dakota in the Black Rock Hill Mountains, or the Black Hill Mountains.
Yeah.
And we did Crazy Horse earlier. Now we're at Mount Rushmore, and I am so happy right now.
We have an RV and we picked it up in Phoenix.
Where does this little hole go to?
You can see the president's head.
Oh.
Guess what? I don't know.
Good shot, George Washington.
Uh-huh. That's pretty freaking cool.
Yes, it is.
Oh, that's so cool.
Okay, so this is what's closed, right? This building?
This building's closed. These were the models that they used to measure off of. Yeah, so cool.
I might have to brighten up because that one is really dark. These two back there are really dark.
I got a hat, I should use it. So we are ending up Mount Rushmore right now. We're just doing the gift shop. We'll probably get some ice cream and then head on out to start driving towards Virginia some more. So yeah, ending day 3 today at our rest area where we're going to be camping. You see the light way over there? That is a little picnic. We ended up picking up some Texas Roadhouse and meeting Mom and Dad and the kids here, and so now we're eating the Texas Roadhouse. But this is an awesome little rest area in South Dakota. Looks like Cheyenne River Rest Area is what this one's called. Just west of this race area. Yeah, so the river flows just west of here. That's why they call it the Cheyenne River Rest Area. Anyways, it was a fantastic day. Well, first left Wyoming, which was antelope freaking heaven. Oh my gosh, there are so many antelope out in those plains.
I found an ant with wings.
Oh, you found an ant with wings? Then we hit South Dakota. In South Dakota, started out a little plains-ish, but then you started seeing the trees where the Black Mountains were. Oh my gosh. Started getting in those areas, and just the rock formations in the Black Mountains, just fantastic. And then going through Custer, and you see Crazy Horse out from the highway, the memorial there, and you just tell that the amount of man hours that has gone into that is impressive. Even those is not done yet. They're not taking any federal or state funding to complete it. It's all by donation, and it's just incredible on how far they got and how much they're doing for it. And then, yeah, after that, just about a 20-mile drive to Mount Rushmore. Bucket list item off the list. I'm so happy I finally got to go there. So happy I finally got to see it.
That was your bucket list?
Yeah, that was on my bucket list to see Mount Rushmore. I'm so glad I was finally able to. Anyways, I'm going to be wrapping up today, and I hope you see you in the next one. And follow along in the playlist to continue watching in order.